What's up everyone? I am Mr. Partypants and this is my first video on YouTube. And I've decided to play a game that is named, as you can see here, Wunderdoktor. It's basically like German for Wunderdoktor. And also a thing, excuse me for if my accent sounds a bit weird, it's because, well, I'm Swedish, so I have a bit of an accent. Just gonna adjust the mic here a bit so that it sounds a bit better. And that's a good soundtrack, yeah? Okay, sorry for rambling. I'm new at this, and okay then, that's a nose. Okay, start from the beginning. I played this before a bit, so but I'm gonna try to not spoil anything, of course. Oh, hello, random bird that just landed on my okay then. Oh, oh god, what the hell? Quacko elixir brings mental sunshine. That does not seem healthy. I think that's called hallucination. Ghost sighting from Jesus Christ, and that's on the front page. Jeez. Quacko spokesman in an interview. Have you stacked up on potions? No, because I'm not a crazy person. No. Okay then. Next, please. Oh God. Yeah, I just think you have a severe case of the puberties. Yeah. Am I supposed to, like? Ooh. Oh, okay. That's disgusting. Ugh. Oh god, I get. Ugh. If any of you don't like this, just look away and I'll tell you when to look back. Yeah, you can look back now. Oh. Okay then. There's just a random stone button there. Just smack this and they go out. Just boom. It's. Come here, you little bastards. Come on. Have a taste of my finger. Yes. Such and such. Yeah, okay. Go away now. Please burn. Okay. Boom. And you know what? I'm keeping this one. No? Okay then. Goodbye, little fry friend. Okie dokie. I wish you could see my face right now because, well, I am more than surprised. This poor guy has lost his entire freaking face. Yeah, maybe. 1, 2, 7, 3. Put his nose back. Not for free. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, I'll make you look fancy then. Just put the hat a bit on sideways. Yes, okay. You know what I think that button is? I think that button is like they're sitting on a stool and they're on like a rail, so when I press it, it just vroom, they just fly off this because this is a train. So they just vroom. That just vroom, and off he goes. Oh, hello, Jürgen Stuffelbeam. If there are any Germans watching this, I'm so sorry for butchering your language. Okay, pimple's gone. What is that? Oh God, he's naked. Oh God, oh God, children, look away. Yeah, have her clothes back and off the rails you go. Oh God, no, I think your problem is more, you don't have an eye. I think that's the problem. You don't have one. That's your problem, ma'am. And also you seem to have a very cloudy second one here. I don't know how you're still alive. Is that a code word or something? Yeah, I'm not gonna... Wait a minute, I can't get demonetized. I think that's... YouTube censors are working strong on this one. Just a joke, I can't get... Oh... Okie dokie. Chirurgeons. That sounds like someone who does surgery on chinchillas or chihuahuas or something. Yeah, sure, but no, I do people. No. Wait, respectable and quack. I don't think those two words go together, no. Oh, they do. Maybe because you have some... I think the thing that you thought was sugar, I think that was cocaine, my friend. What? Is this like back in the 18th century or something? Or 19th, I mean. Have a good day, sir. Yeah, good day to you too, but stop trying to sell me your goddamn cocaine potions. Quantity, sign here. It brings mental sunshine. Yeah, no. Fudge that. Can I burn this? No? Okay. You know what? You can have this. Yeah. Oh geez. Oh god. Aww. And that's why you don't pop the pimples. I learned that the hard way. Hard way. Yes. You have this, please. I don't want it. I don't want their cocaine potions. Oh god, no. Right, she's dead now. Oh, look, a lever. What does this do? Ah! Oh. Well then. That was a bit shit. Oh god, what the hell? Stone person. Oh god, stone person? Hey you, stop it. What? Yeah, what the heck? Stein. Medical assistant. I shall aid you with the I have been a doctor for seriously 5 minutes now. Do you know anything? I have a theory. Stein, I have a theory. I think they have cocaine in them. You think that's true? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's just change the subject like that. Yeah, I tried to, but my oven wouldn't open. I think you were stuck in the freaking lever system. Yeah, exactly. Cocaine. Rubbisher. Does that mean he talks shit? Top of my head shows the patient's health. Don't let it burn down all the way. Boom. Oh god, wait, what? Yeah, I don't think that's very healthy, having a... Blap, blap, blap. Yeah! Freshly cured with a new fancy looking eye patch. And now, on your clothes and off the train you go. Soap boiler. Doris Sauerteig? My head is still aching even though I drank 3 bottles of elixir. Yeah, I don't think that... Or schmonka. I don't know what a schmonka pill. Just... I fucking... Well then. Yeah, yeah, what the heck? Yeah, I've heard this before. Oh, yeah, good. A book. Yeah, I didn't get one of those before. Yeah, have goddamn smoker pill. Yes, well, you're no ball in soap anymore, you're off the rails. Aww. You feel spooked. Well, I would recommend 2 glasses of water, some sandwiches, a lit room, and some sleep. A figa confusa. That sounds like effing confused. Like I am with this game. Like, what the heck? I'm afraid this will be a bit more complicated. Yeah, I think so too. They're freaking... Oh god, what the hell? Wow, god. Shaking. Shaky, shaky, shaky. A simple ghost won't stop me. I will slap you. Slap. Indeed. But you won't be safe for too long because you're going off the train tracks. I'm sorry, old man. Philip... Philip? Yeah, it looks kind of weird too. No, I don't do potions. No. Oh my god, yeah, like that pimple wasn't like extremely big. Okay then. I think you should eat more. There we go. Perfect placements also. You're going off the train. Sauce tester. Yeah, I recommend you not smoke. I think that's a pretty good plan to start with. Okay, you need a plus 0 pill. That's what we call contradiction. A cigarette. Oh, it's a quack puff. And highly addictive. Maybe it's nicotine. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, good. I think you may need like new eyes or something because those don't seem to be working. But by then, wait, what? Yeah, okay. What the? Hey, yeah, nice to see you, you quackity bastard. Yeah, I burnt the shit. Yeah, I did. Yeah, that's because you fucking drugs in them. Freaking. Sorry, I'll bleep that out. Stop that. Stop punching my stuff. You're dead now. Yeah, yeah, you just showed up one day and now you're trying to help me. I think you're some kind of ghost thing. Oh. Get out of my house! Potion full is sick. This potion was strong but very dangerous. At first you will feel much better, but after a short while, all you wanted was another dosage. Yep, that's what we call an addiction. Adversarial experience of what it did, we couldn't take it anymore. I wanted out. Okay. Help I escaped from his place. A new doctor. As I left, I managed to get a hold of this secret potion recipe. Quacko did not want anyone to create this potion. I have no idea why. We should brew it to find out. Make sure it doesn't harm anyone. Okay, let's get this down. Ooh, beneath the surface, it's a scab fly. Why is his skull bigger than his face? Or her? Why this? And why this is so disgusting. Is it disgusting? Is it a rusty nail? A rusty nail. Jesus. Why a rusty nail? Why can't we just get a rusty screw? With that screw with the recipe. As of late. I couldn't imagine why. Have you been drinking a bunch of soda, old lady? Oh, that explains it. Oh, scheisse. Pop. You get a smoke, and I'm wearing that, and you're going home, maybe. Yeah, goodbye. Next! Lucas Papstill, paper bag mater. Aww. Yeah, I don't think anything's wrong with you. Right, Stein? Oh, Yeah, I don't think you're sick. I think that's just placebo or nocebo. Yeah, right. Have a smoke. Yeah, go right ahead. Oh, fun. Why again? Ooh. Oh, a puzzle. A puzzle. That's fun. It's a puzzle. Yeah. Jörg Bruller. You're in severe pain, eh? Well, let's take a little gander. Yeah, what the heck you have been eating? Because this is a magic X-rays little peeping glass. Bum, bum, and like, what are these little things? Is this like some kind of weird ass fungal infection? Because I don't know. A syringe injection, yeah. I have a phobia of syringes, so this doesn't really help it. Ugh. Oh god, oh. Much better now, yeah. Good. Have a smoke. You may want to do that, it's relaxing. Even though it's extremely addicting. I may have made you addicted there. Goodbye! Karen Nasenweiss? Time to get just follow my lead. Do. Spain is a country where you can dance tango. Nope, that's just okay. Here, have a bit of a smoke. Smoky muck. Yep. And off you go, lady. Okay, last one. Oh god, okay. God, Jesus. Oh god. Goodness gracious. Oh god, this is so hard. Ah. Oh god, the guy's gonna die. Smack. Oh, smack. Okay. Yeah, what the heck have you been going around? Your flies had pimples, your face had pimples, you had some weird ass fungal infection all over. Like, okay, sometimes. Hey, give it back. You bastard. Give my smoke back. Yeah. Oh, there's the right guy to give it to. Beetle pie. Okay then. Well, I don't know for how long I've been recording this. Maybe I'll check. I cannot check. Nope. Here we go. Okay. 18 minutes. Okay, then I think it's about time to stop this recording then. Well, all I want to say is thank you for watching this. My first video. I appreciate it so much, and I would appreciate it even more if you would hit the subscribe button, maybe even like, leave a comment. If you don't like the video, leave a comment of what I should do better. Then you can dislike the video. You don't have to subscribe, and if you subscribe, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the bell, like this one, bling-a-ling. Well, see you next time, my friend or friends. Goodbye.